Hello, today I am going to discuss Junior English Book 4, page number 4, and today's topic is adverbs. I think you have already met with this word, what is called adverb. Adverb actually a word which describes or modifies an adjective or a verb or another adverb itself. In some places it is written also an adverb modifies all the parts of speech except noun and pronoun. So whatever, in this place we are getting another interesting definition of adverbs. So let's see what is written here. In the first place it is written the troops fought gallantly. Here gallantly tells how the troops fought. This is called manner. This is the type of adverb. 2 number, we looked everywhere for the lost ball. Here see everywhere tells where we looked. This is place. We looked for the lost ball yesterday. Yesterday tells when we looked. This is the time. So depends on these 3 examples. One definition is given here. See, a word which describes how, where or when an action is performed is called an adverb. Here in this place there are some examples of adverbs. See, here awkwardly, gracefully, patiently, bitterly, hungrily, politely, contentedly, intimately, soundly, courageously, merrily, uproariously, frugally, mournfully, and last one is violently. After this, here we are getting one exercise. In this place it's written in number exercise. Make a list of the adverbs in these sentences. After each write how, where or when as required. So I am not going to make a list of adverb. I am just underlining the adverbs, and after underlining I am writing how, where or when. Okay, let's start first one. Nigel washed the dishes carefully. In this place adverb is carefully and it is actually telling what? It is telling how. See, Nigel washed how? It is carefully. So we will write here how. Diana calls to see us frequently. When Diana calls to see us, this is frequently. So after this it is an adverb, and after this we will write when. Next one, all the rabbits run away. Run where? Away. So away is an adverb, and after that we will write where. It means if we question the verb, then we will get the adverb actually by how, where or when. Like Nigel washed how? Carefully. Diana calls when? Frequently. All the rabbits ran where? Away. So this way we actually need to find out the adverb from the sentence. Next one, 4 number, the 2 boys wandered aimlessly around the town. Here aimlessly is the adverb. 2 boys wandered how? Aimlessly. So here will be how. I think you are understanding it. 5 number, the train will be arriving shortly. The train will be arriving when? Shortly. So this is an adverb, and we have got the adverb after questioning by the word when. So these are the answer of this question. 6 number, last one, dozens of rocks were cawing noisily. Dozens of rocks were cawing how? Answer is noisily. So after that we will write how. So next one, B number exercise. Here it is written, complete each sentence by using a suitable adverb from the column on the above. Use your dictionary to help. So here it means from this place we will take the word and we will put here. So let's start. At home, first you will try to do by yourself, then match with my one. So I am going to start. The thief struggled. The thief struggled how? We can write from this place. This is it can be violently. So we can write here violently. Next one, we waited. We waited, sometimes we waited maximum time we waited patiently. Okay, politely also, soundly, you cannot tell courageously. In some places you can put, but I think patiently is the perfect word for this place, so we can write here patiently. Next one, the robin chirped. Here this one is which one? This one is better, merrily. Next one, the child wept. How? The child wept, we can write bitterly, right here, bitterly. Next one, the old man fell. The old man fell, the old man fell awkwardly. Next one, 6th number, the champion fought. How? Of course, courageously. Okay, right here, courageously. Next one, the miser lives. How? The miser lives, let's see, it is frugally. So we can write here frugally. Next one, he ate his food. He ate his food. He ate his food hungrily. Hungrily, we can write here. Hungrily. Okay. So next one, 9 number. The cows grazed. How? Contentedly. Contentedly. This one will be in 9 number. Contentedly. Contentedly. He raised his hat. He raised his hat. Sometimes we use this politely. We can write here politely. Next one, the wind howled. How? 11 number. We can write the wind howled mournfully. So right here mournfully. Next one, we all laughed. We all laughed. We all laughed uproariously. Write it here. Next one, the girls danced. The girls danced. The girl danced gracefully, right, in this place. Gracefully. The baby slept. The baby slept. How? The baby slept soundly, we can write here. The baby slept soundly. Next one, I know him. I know him. How? Only one word is left. See, this is intimately. We can write here intimately. So hope you have understood today's topic easily. Today we have done page number 4 and today's topic is adverbs. Next day we will do page number 5. There we will find the topic that is nouns number. Bye for today.